Hands up if you're ready to talk. Put your hands up. Okay, Mustafa,
Yes.
you want to
Skill 20
start?
Yes. Skill 27 from comparatives and superlatives. Correct.
Yeah. What is the meaning of comparative? Do you know? What does it mean?
Taller than, for example, Ahmed is taller than Mustafa, for example.
When you compare to people or to things, right?
Yes.
When you compare to people or to things, it's called a comparative. What about this? Superlative. Superlative.
The most, for example, the most beautiful.
Yes, yes, yes. You know, you guys know the word supermarket, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, before they developed hypermarkets, before that, we just the biggest shop for food was always a supermarket. You understand? Why do we call it that? Why do we call it super?
Because it is
the biggest.
big.
It was the biggest. It was the biggest, right? Or you guys know Superman, right? Why do we call him Superman?
Because
He's the most man.
He's the strongest man. Superman, the strongest. What else? The fastest, right? The strongest, the fastest. All of these things make him the best. You understand?
Super Oria.
Yes. Super Oria, the best students at KFUPM. Super Oria. Okay. So superlative is the best. Okay. All right. So now let's see here. I want you to read Abdulaziz. Can you read this?
The comparative is formed with either er or more and than. In the comparative, er is with short adjectives such as tall, and more is used with longer adjectives such as beautiful.
Okay, so we have the comparative. What does it mean? It is formed. What does that mean? It is formed.
The formula or
the formula. How do we make it? That's what it means, right? And how do we do that? Choose
ER or
you
more.
choose ER or we choose more, right?
Yes.
Plus
Than.
Okay. Now, when do we choose the ER? When should I choose ER?
With short adjectives.
Now, what is a short adjective, gentlemen? Do you know that? Do you know what that means? What is a short adjective?
One or two syllables.
Has one sound.
One sound.
What does that mean though? Syllable. What is a syllable?
Sound.
A sound part. Okay. All right. For example, fantastic.
No.
How many syllables do you hear? Fantastic.
3.
Fantastic. That's 3 syllables, 3 parts. Now, is that short? Fantastic?
No.
No.
No, because it is more than 2. So it is not short, right? It's not short, it's long. The opposite is long. So how do we make it with long, Abdulaziz?
More.
More. We put more with
the long adjective.
And what is that? What is a long adjective?
3 syllables or more.
That's right, 3 or more. Okay. All right, Mohana, example.
Bob is taller than Ron.
Bob is taller than Ron. Is this adjective? Is this adjective long?
No.
No. So,
We add er.
but is this adjective long? No. So what is it?
Short.
No, it's tall. I'm
Short
joking. I'm
syllables.
kidding. I'm joking with you. Yes. Yes. Tall. What's the opposite of tall? Huh? The opposite of tall?
Short.
Short. Also, it has another meaning, right? Short is also the opposite of long, right? Long, tall, or I'm sorry, long, short, or tall and short, right? Yeah. But the idea is this is a short. Why is it a short adjective? Because
one syllable.
One syllable.
one syllable. Okay. Ayad. Next one.
Sally is more beautiful than Soren.
Sharon.
Sharon.
Why do I use more than in this example? What's the reason? Why do I choose more than?
Beautiful contains more than one syllable.
Yeah, how many? Guys, how many is that? Beautiful.
Three.
Three.
Beautiful. That's 3 parts, right? 3 sound parts, 3 syllables. All right, good. Abdul Majid.
The superlative is formed with either east or most.
Yeah. EST or most, and
sometimes n, of, or that close.
notice it says sometimes. What does that mean? Is it necessary?
No.
No, this is optional. Okay. It is optional. In the formula, this part is optional. All right. Okay. So continue, please, Suhaib.
In the superlative, east is used with short adjectives such as tall, and must is used with longer adjectives such as beautiful.
Okay. Example, Mustafa.
Bob is the tallest man in the room.
With what's the formula here? It's the plus EST, right? Why do we choose EST? What's the reason?
Because it is short adjective.
Short adjective. That's right. And then, oh, what's this? In the room?
In the room.
Now, do we always add this to the superlative? Do we always add it?
No.
No.
In or of.
Why should we add it though? Why should we add this?
So
because
to make it clear.
Yeah, make it clear. If I don't add it, what does it mean? Bob is the tallest man.
in the
What does
world.
that mean? In the world, right? But probably not in the world. Okay. So we often add more information to be very clear. Okay. Abdulaziz, Sally.
Sally is the most beautiful of all the women at the party.
Now, can I remove this part of all the women at the party?
No, let's make it clear.
Yeah, well, I mean, the grammar is okay, but it is not clear. Yeah, if you say Sally's the most beautiful that's in the world, right?
Yeah.
But you want to be specific, more specific. Wahana, the spider.
The spider over there is the largest one that I have ever seen.
Right? Can I remove this part?
Yeah, you can. But it will be not clear.
Right. If you say the spider over there is the largest one, I'm the largest one in the world? Really? I don't think so. So we often add this information, you see? Okay. All right, Ayed, the last one.
Fastest runner wins the race. No in, of, or that.
Look at this example. Should we add more information to this example?
No, it's clear, I think.
Yeah, it's not necessary, right? It is not necessary to put more information here. Okay? All right. Let's go to the chart on the next page, gentlemen. Mustafa?
Yeah. The form of comparative and superlative.
Yep.
Comparative, more long adjective, short adjective, plus er than.
Yep. More and then a long adjective or short adjective. ER plus than. Now, there is some information we need to include here. A long adjective. I want you to read this note down here. Mustafa?
Yeah. V3 adjective, verb 3 adjective, such as tired, and verb 4 adjective, such as boring, follow the long adjective rule. For example,
Yeah. Example?
tireder, boringer, it is wrong.
This is wrong. You cannot say tireder or boringer. But how many sound parts is that? Boring. How many parts is it?
One.
One. Tired is one. Boring is two. Right?
Yeah.
But can I use the short adjective rule? No. You cannot use the short adjective rule. So this is a special case. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't open that. Hold on. I have to copy first. Okay. So where should I put them? Tired and boring. Where should I put these adjectives? Tired and boring them. Where should I put them?
Comparative.
Should I put it more? Should I say more, or should I just use ER? Which one should I use? ER or should I use more?
More.
More. So I'm going to put verb 3 and verb 4 adjectives. I'm gonna put it up here, including. Okay. Do you understand what that means, gentlemen? Including verb 3 and verb 4 adjectives. Okay. Long adjectives, including verb 3 and verb 4. Okay. And down here, same thing. Where do I put it down here?
Boring.
The first formula, right? The first formula. You understand, gentlemen? Yeah? Abdulaziz, read the superlative formula.
The most long plus long adjective, including verb 3 and 4 adjective,
Yes.
and short adjective with est.
That's right. Short plus est. And then what's this?
If in and if and that, it's optional.
These are all optional, right? This is all optional. Okay. All right. So let's give this exercise a try. Okay. Mohana, can you explain the problem in number 1?
Yes, oxygen is have been better than nitrogen.
Oxygen is what? Abundanter. What did you say?
Abundanter.
Abundanter is a long or short adjective. What is it? Abundant.
Long.
Abundant. It's 3 syllables, right?
Yes.
So what should it be? Instead of abundanter,
More abundanter.
exactly. It should be more abundant than. This is the correct answer. More abundant than. Okay. Ayed, can you explain number 2?
It's correct. Because
Is it long or short?
long.
I'm going to put L for long just to show you. This is long, right? Appropriate is long. Long adjective. Okay. Abundant also. Long adjective. Okay. All right. So we need the long formula on both of these examples. All right. So, gentlemen, try it now. Begin.
3 minutes. Two minutes. One minute, 45 seconds. One minute, 30 seconds. One minute, 15 seconds. One minute. $45 seconds. $30 seconds. $15 seconds. Time is up.
All right, so let's do this. Mustafa, number 3.
Yeah.
Read it. Read it and tell me it. Don't read it. Just tell me if it's correct or incorrect.
It is incorrect
Okay. Why?
because
Where do I put the
we-
circle?
important, most important.
You need to circle all of it, okay? All of it, the whole formula, okay? The most important is. So what's the problem with that? What's wrong?
The end of word.
Is this long or short?
important.
Important. Is important long or short?
Long.
It's long, right? It's a long adjective. So what should it be?
It must be the most important without
Right.
est.
Yeah, exactly. No EST. Should just be the most important lesson that you will have. Good. Okay, Abdulaziz. How about number 4?
Correct.
Number 4 is correct.
Yes, because shorter,
Where do I put the circle?
shorter,
Shorter
and more colorful.
and more colorful. So we have shorter, more colorful, than include than, right? Include this with your formula, right?
Yes.
Okay. And then here, shorter. Okay. You tell me what kind of adjective is shorter?
Small adjective.
Yeah,
Short.
small or short. What about colorful?
Large.
Long,
Long.
right? Short and long. Good. Mohana, how about number 5?
It's incorrect.
Why?
Because more long, it should be longer than
Where do I put the circle?
more long.
More long. Include the whole formula, okay? Include the whole formula. This is short, right?
Yes.
So what should it be then?
Longer.
Yep. We need to use longer, L-O-N-G-E-R. Okay. Longer than. All right, good. Ayed, how about number 6?
Incorrect.
Correct?
Yes.
Why? Why is it incorrect? Where do I put the circle?
The closest than.
So why is this a problem?
It should be comparative, not.
Should be comparative.
Yes.
2 things.
So
You lose marks in TOEFL, Ayed. We don't want comparative. We want the superlative. Why do we want the superlative?
yes.
You see?
Because
We want.
Yes.
It's not. We're not comparing 2 things. Okay, we're comparing many things. So where's the problem?
The coldest than.
No.
We remove than.
Okay. And then? Is that all?
Yes.
No, that's not all. You lose marks in TOEFL. What should we put here? You can't say the coldest than. Gentlemen, anybody? Of.
But of instead.
Of.
Yes.
You must change it to of, okay? Alaska is the coldest of all the states in the United States, all right? Abdul Majid, how about the next one, number 7?
I think it's correct.
Think it's correct?
Yes.
All right. Where do I put a circle?
More rested.
How many syllables is that, rested?
I think 1.
Rested, that's 2. 2. So that's short or long?
Short.
What do you think?
It's short.
So is this formula correct?
No, but yes, it's correct. It's correct. I think it's correct.
Why? Why?
Because it is, you can't add rested der.
This is a verb 3 adjective. It's a verb 3 adjective, right? Special case.
Yes.
Special case. Okay. So yeah, it is correct, but the reason is it's a verb 3 adjective, right? Special case. Okay. Good.
Yes, yeah.
Let's see, do the next one, Suhaib.
Yeah, I think number 8, it's incorrect.
Number 8, incorrect.
Yeah.
All right, why?
Because he put more, and that it's
Where should I put this?
short, more heavier this morning
Uh-huh.
than the whole formula. We should change.
Is this short or long?
That's short. Happier, 2 syllables.
Okay. Happy is 2 syllables. That's right. Happy is 2 syllables. So what should I do?
Remove more.
Okay. And then? Khalas? Is that all?
Okay. I think we need to change to superlative.
Why do you think you should be superlative? We have than.
But there is no adjective or something after that. That's thinking after that.
Happier this morning than. We're comparing. What are we comparing? We're comparing 2 things. What are we comparing?
This morning,
And
yesterday.
there you go. We're comparing this morning and yesterday. So than is correct. Okay. This is the sentence. Now it's correct, you see. All right.
Yeah.
So we should just remove more. That's all. Just remove more. Should be, she was happier this morning than she had been yesterday. This is correct. Okay. But if we put more, it's incorrect. Mustafa, you want to do number 9?
Yeah, it is incorrect.
Okay. What's the problem?
We should remove more and put R in the versatile. To be
You want to put
versatile.
ER?
Yes, but just R without E.
Just put an R?
Yes.
Sorry, you lose marks in TOEFL because this is long. Versatile. That's 3 syllables.
Yeah.
So guess
it is
what?
correct.
Yeah, this
correct.
example is correct. Abdulaziz, how about number 10?
Correct.
Correct? You
Yes.
sure about that?
Yes.
Okay, where do I put the circle?
The best and most efficient.
There you go. The best and most efficient job. Okay. And then after this, we have, what is this?
More information.
That she can do. Okay. That she can do. You know what? Let's put a line under that. We'll put a line under this part. That she can do. This is the that clause. Okay. She always tries to do the best and most efficient. So is this short or long?
The second long and the first short but irregular.
Exactly. Very good. It's short, but it's irregular. Okay. So I'm going to put that down. Short, irregular. Right? It's a special superlative, special superlative. Short but irregular. Okay. All right. That's it, gentlemen. We're done. Today, skill 27. Khalas. Bye, gentlemen.
Bye.